Well, let's kick things off with an update on the Thabo Bester prison escape case. The pre-trial hearing taking place in Bloemfontein High Court has been postponed to the 31st of July. This is to allow some of those accused of assisting Bester to escape from prison to get new lawyers. Newzroom Afrika's Veronica Makhoali was in court and filed this report.
This matter has once again been delayed. Now, just to walk you through essentially what happened this morning, we met again a new legal representative, of course, representing Bester in the matter. This time, a Lerato Muela, the advocate that will, of course, now be representing Bester in this case. He spoke essentially to the judge, bringing forth an application saying that he is concerned about the fact that he has not been able to consult with his client. Now, you'd remember last month when we were here, essentially Bester had an emotional rant speaking about how he's been treated unfairly and that he has not had the opportunity to get the necessary consultation. Well, this is essentially what his new lawyer spoke about, saying that there are issues in terms of the consultation process at the Khosimamburu prison. You'd know that Bester is a C-Max prisoner, saying that the restrictions that have been put on Bester in terms of the consultation process are far too stringent. He in fact said that he's put this application forward to safeguard his client's right to basically have legal representative, and also saying that Bester somewhat is suffering some sort of mental issues in regards to not being able to speak to his lawyer. He says that they often have to speak either through telephone or a glass wall, saying that there is no physical, touching and consultation. And you'd understand that this is because Bester has been essentially labeled as a high-risk prisoner. In fact, this morning, as he arrived in court, we were able just to see a convoy that ushered him into the courthouse this morning, where we saw correctional services officials, we saw SAPS officials, all each carrying weapons, and you could see that this was really a high-risk prisoner that has been put through. And this is also the reason why he is at the court at the moment, because of that elaborate grand escape from the Mangaung prison in May 2022. But what was also very interesting in terms of the proceedings today was that accused number 3 and 6, these are former G4S employees, each having a role to play in terms of how Bester escaped from that correctional facility. Essentially, their lawyer withdrawing from the case as well, stating issues of financial pay, saying that they have not been paid, they have not received money. The two accused have then opted for legal aid.